student. This is the lesson of class 7 for the subject of geography, topic, location, and political divisions of Europe, which is covered in chapter 7, Europe, location, political division, and physical features. Starting on page number 78 of your textbook, submitted to you on 2nd of August 2021. So children, let us now discuss about the location and political division of Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent after Australia. It is approximately thrice the size of India and has an area of 10 million square kilometer approximately. At one time, small European nations had colonies several times bigger countries than themselves. Europe is called the Peninsula of Peninsulas, as it consists of many peninsulas. So children, a peninsula is a landform surrounded by water on three sides and on one side connected with the land. So in this map, Europe is being marked here, and as if you can notice, it is being surrounded by water on the three sides, whereas on one side with the land. Hence it is known as Peninsula of Peninsulas. Europe is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean in the west, and Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea in the south. Whereas the eastern part is connected with the Asian mainland. Now let us discuss about the location of Europe. Europe lies almost in the middle of northern hemisphere with North America to its west beyond the Atlantic Ocean, Asia on the east and Africa on the south. Latitudinal extent of Europe is 35° north to 73° north, and longitudinal extent is 25° west to 65° east. Most of the continent lies within the temperate zone, means the zone lying between Tropic of Cancer, 23.5° north, to Arctic Circle, that is 66.5° north. The Ural Mountains in the east and Caucasus Mountains in the southeast separates Europe from Asia. Now let us discuss about the political divisions of Asia. Of Europe. Although Europe is a small continent, it has 50 countries. Some European countries are grouped on the basis of geographical similarities and are referred by specific names. Scandinavian countries first. includes Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and Iceland. They are named after the Scandinavian highlands found here. Second is the Low Countries, which includes Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. These countries lie in the low-lying plains. Next is Central European countries, such as Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Poland, Hungary, Czech Republic, and Slovakia. Just encourage. Fourth is the Mediterranean countries nearby the Mediterranean Sea. It includes the countries in the south bordering the Mediterranean Sea region, such as Spain, Portugal, and Italy. Also France. Next is Balkan state, which lies within the Balkan Peninsula, such as Greece, Albania, Macedonia, Romania, and Slovenia. Next is Baltic state, which includes Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. The last one is the Holy See, which formerly called the Vatican City. In Italian peninsula, it is the smallest country, while Russia is the largest country in Europe. Earlier, Russia was a part of USSR, but in December 1991, USSR was split into 15 independent states, and Russia became a separate country. Russia lies partly in Europe and partly in Asia. So this is about the political division. Now we will discuss about some important cities of Europe, under which the first one is London. London is the capital of United Kingdom, a major center of international trade and a flourishing port. It lies on the bank of River Thames. Buckingham Palace, British Museum, Tower Bridge are a few famous places. Second is Paris. Paris is the capital of France. It has famous Eiffel Tower, a masterpiece of structural engineering. Other notable things include Obelisk of Luxor, Notre Dame. Third is Rome. It is situated on the bank of River Tiber and is the capital of Italy. Being the center of Catholic Church, it attracts thousands of pilgrims every year. Arc of Titus, Colosseum, Roman Bath are some monuments of ancient Rome. Fourth is the Vatican City. Vatican City is the center of Catholic Church and surrounded by City of Rome on all sides. Vatican Palace is vast and majestic with 140 monumental statues. St. Peter's Basilica is largest church in the world, Vatican Museum and Sistine Chapel, the ceiling of which is decorated with biblical scenes painted by great artist Michelangelo. So this is all about the location and political divisions of Europe. Now your homework is you have to write down the glossary terms which is given on page number 83 in your notebook and also learn them. Again, on a political map of Europe, mark the countries and the surrounding oceans. You can refer the map which is given on page number 79 of your textbook. So with this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.